I know what the problem is. I hope I know what the problem is. I'm that confident. I had a flight tomorrow to head back to carry on work on the Bugatti Chiron, and I'm that confident. I've cancelled the flight and I've changed it to Monday because I think I know what the problem is. Now, the problem I think lies with not the camshafts, but the actual variators on the end which do the deviation of the timing. The camshaft variators which sit on the end of the camshaft, the thing with the cog which also variates the timing, they were different to one another. They weren't the same. The left side of the engine, the thicker camshaft variator was used on the intake cam, and the thinner camshaft variator is used on the exhaust cam. Whereas on the right hand side, it was the other way around. And I was thinking, well, how can that be wrong? Because I never moved them, I took them out. So I think and I hope that they are the wrong way round, and I'm about to find out. The only issue is I've now got a speed run taking this car apart and the engine apart to have a look at the variators, and I'm nearly 100% confident that the variators are in the wrong spot on the right hand side of the engine, and that is going to solve our issue. This is going to be a big speed run to get the car stripped out, engine out, get the variators and put it all back in, and we're 100% banking on this is going to be right because we've cancelled our flight to go to Miami to start rebuilding the Chiron. So this has got to work. On with the speed run. This has to be it. It literally looks like once Porsche diagnosed the problem, but then didn't honour the warranty, they just threw this car back together and gave it back to the customer. And they must have threw it back together, not bothering which way these variators go. Look at that. Fat one on the bottom, thin one on the top. The reason I didn't notice this to start with is because I never took them out, so I assumed they were going to be right. But then, and that would explain why that side's working and this side's ain't, but this has been thrown back together to give back to the customer. This has got to be why it's not working. It has to be. Right, let's switch these over, retime it, back in and start it up.